Good morning class. Welcome back to MS Excel class in your IT. So as we were studying MS Excel, yesterday we studied about what are the cell ranges, how we can select different cell ranges, what are cell and cell address. So now we will study moving around in a worksheet. So there are 4 methods to move around in a worksheet. So first is using mouse, then using name box, and then keyboard shortcuts, and also using scroll bar. So 4 methods are there to move around in a worksheet with the help of mouse. Then name box is present here beside the formula bar. Okay, G23. So this is name box, and third is keyboard shortcuts, and the fourth is using scroll bars. So scroll bars are present here at the bottom and at the right side of the screen. These are the scroll bars. So let's see how we can move in an Excel worksheet using mouse. So to move cell pointer to a particular cell for entering data, you simply need to click in the required cell. So if you want to enter data in this cell, you will simply click in this. In the same way, you can click on any cell to enter data using mouse, left click. Then using name box, this is the name box. So if you want to move to a particular cell, you have to simply need to type the address of that cell. For example, if you want to move to cell B5, you will write here B5 and press enter key. So you will be on cell B5. Okay. Next, keyboard shortcuts. So in keyboard we have many keys which work according to their use. So first of all, first key is home key. So home key is used to move cell pointer to column A. These are the columns, these are the row. So wherever you are in the worksheet, you will move to column A. Means row will not change, but the column will change. And now you are in column B. After pressing home key, you will be directed to column A. Let's check. Home key is here. This is home key. So see, earlier you were in column B, now you are at column A. Same row, but the column is changed. Let's check again. Right now you are in column G. After this you will be moved to column A in the same row. Okay. Next is control plus home. So after pressing control plus home key, you will be directed to cell A1, means the first cell of the Excel worksheet. So if you will press control plus home, you will be shifted to column A, but the same row. But if you will press control plus home, then you will be shifted to first row and the first column. Let's check. Control plus home. So this is the first cell of the worksheet, A1. Next is control plus end. So move cell pointer to the last cell in the last row with data. So it will move you to the last cell in the last row which is containing data. So control plus end. As we don't have any data, so it takes you here. But if you will be having data, so the last cell of your worksheet who is containing data, it will move to that. Next is move navigation keys. These are the navigation keys. These are the navigation keys. So first is by pressing this key, you will be moved upward. If you will press downward key, so you will be going downward. Right key, so you will be going right side, and left, you will be going left side. Next is control plus all these navigation keys. So it moves cell pointer in the arrow direction towards the nearest cell with the data, or to the first or last cell in a column or row. So as we are not having any data in our spreadsheet, so if you will press these keys along with the control, ये आपको कहाँ ले जाएगा? Like you are here. So if you will press any of the navigation key with control, so it will take you to the cell which is nearest to this cell and having data. Right now we are not having data. Okay, so it simply takes you here. Next is page up or page down key. So page up or page down key is located here. See, this is page up and this is page down key. So it moves cell pointer up or down by one screen full of rows. See, and this screen we have 1 2 32 rows. So if you will press page up, so it will take you to the next screen. Sorry, we can't press page up because the first row is 1 here. Page down, let's check. So earlier it was 32, now it has changed to 63. Okay, let's again check. बैक टू दैट स्क्रीन मीन्स प्रॉपर एक स्क्रीन में जितने रोज डिस्प्ले हो रहे होंगे वो चेंज होके नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन के आ जाएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आल्ट प्लस पेज अप और आल्ट प्लस पेज डाउन. इट मूव्स सेल पॉइंटर लेफ्ट और राइट बाय वन स्क्रीन फुल ऑफ कॉलम्स. जब हम नॉर्मली पेज अप या पेज डाउन प्रेस कर रहे थे तो हम रोज को, स्क्रीन फुल ऑफ रोज को चेंज कर रहे थे. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू मूव टू द स्क्रीन फुल ऑफ कॉलम्स, लाइक इन दिस स्क्रीन वी आर हैविंग A to S. So if we will press Alt plus page up or Alt plus page down, the screen full of columns will get changed. Let's check this. Alt plus page up. Sorry, page up will not work right here. Page down. Okay, like this. So next is Control plus page up or Control plus page down. It moves cell pointer backward or forward through the workbook from one worksheet to another worksheet. So like here we are working in worksheet suppose 2. So if you will press Control plus page up, you will direct it to sheet 1. The same cell but the sheet is changed. Control plus page down, Control plus page down, Control plus page up, like this. The active cell will remain same there but the sheet will change. Okay, so these were the shortcut keys which you can use. Home, Control plus home, Control plus end, navigation keys, Control plus navigation keys, page up or down, Alt plus page up or down, Control plus page up or down. The fourth is using scroll bars. So to quickly move up and down in a worksheet you can use scroll bars also. The vertical scroll bar located along the right edge of the screen, this is the vertical, this is the vertical scroll bar. So located at the right edge of the screen is useful to move up or down, as you can see. Okay, numbers are changing here. So we are moving up or down. And next is, just a second, the horizontal scroll bar located at the bottom of the screen is used to move left or right across the spreadsheet. Check here that alphabets means the column alphabets are changing. So vertical scroll bar are used to move up or down and horizontal scroll bars are used to move left or right to the screen. Next is file operation in MS Excel. Like Word in Excel 2, Office menu contains all the options to work with the Excel files, like creating a new workbook file, opening an existing workbook and saving or printing a workbook. So let's learn about managing Excel file in this section. First of all, we have new. So this option is used to create a new workbook file. So steps to do this are: click on the office button, then select new option from the drop down menu. In the backstage view, select the blank workbook option, as it is already selected. Select the blank workbook option, click on the create button, a new Excel file will be created. You can also press Ctrl plus L for this. This is the shortcut key which is not mentioned here. So new is used to create a new workbook file. Next is save. It allows you to save a new file or changes made to an existing file. Okay, changes made to an existing file. So to do this, click on the office button, select the save option. Let's do it. Office button, save option, and then select a location, drive or folder. Suppose it is being saved on this PC, so we want to save here, and type a name for the file in the file name text box. Click on the save button. So name is here. Okay, if you want to change, you can change this also. Click on the save button. This file will get saved. Next is save as. This option is used to save a copy of a file by another name or at another location or both. Save का यूज़ करते हैं फाइल को सेव करने के लिए. सेव एज का यूज़ हम करते हैं उसी फाइल को या तो किसी और लोकेशन पर सेव करने के लिए या किसी और नाम से सेव करने के लिए या फिर दोनों. सो लेट्स सी, दिस इज सेव एज. Okay, for example we want to change the name, so the same file will also get saved with the another name, so it is saved. Okay, next is open. Allows you to open an existing workbook file. So click on the office button, then open. Now you have to select that where you have the file located. Suppose this is, so you will click on this and you will open this file. This file will get opened. Next is print. Okay, the shortcut key for the save is Ctrl plus S, for open is Ctrl plus O, and the next print, it is Ctrl plus P. It allows you to print data in files or worksheet. So to do this, select the data that you want to print from the worksheet. Suppose we want to print all, so we will select Ctrl A, then open the office button, select the select the file, just go on print, select the file. Okay, here you can change the number of copies. You want to select all, or you have multiple pages and you want to print only 1 2 3 4 like this, then print on the OK button. So if you have a printer connected to your device, this particular data will be printed. So as we don't have to print, we will simply cancel this. Next is close. It allows you to close the workbook file. Then click on the office button, then click on the close option, which is here. The currently open file will close, leaving the empty Excel application window behind. Let's check. Okay, it get closed. Next is exit. It allows you to exit the MS Excel program by closing the Excel window. Click on the office button, click on the exit button option. The Excel window will close down. So close button is here and exit Excel is here. It gets closed. So this was your today's class. That's it for today. Please read your chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.